Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super well today. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've been on here. I've been just really busy. A lot's been happening behind the scenes, so I didn't really have a lot of time to upload videos. I do apologize, but here we are today. And I'm going to be doing a Fenty Beauty review for you guys. I'm not quite sure if you remember, I did the review on the Fenty Beauty 400 powder foundation, and this was too dark for my skin. This made me look like I've been sitting on the beach baking for 2 days. Okay, that's way too dark. And so I went down to number 385. Yes, I did went down a shade. I know, so we're going to be using this today. And so I'm still having some issues with my skin, some breakout issues. Most of it is already gone because I still do have my Evolve Rainforest Rescue Serum right here. And I do have, this is the Queen of Hungary Mist. So I'm still practicing my skincare. So today I'm not going to be doing any color correcting or anything like that. I'm just going to be using my moisturizer. I just started to use this one last week. This particular one is new to my skincare collection. This is L'Oreal Paris Triple Active Day Moisturizer. I do have the one for the night, so I'm going to be giving you guys an update on my skin care routine another time. So this is the product right here. You can barely see that, it's of course white. So I do have some in the cover. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that on my skin. So you just need a little bit of this because a little bit goes a long way. So my skin is already washed and all of that. So I'm just moisturizing right now because I'm trying to avoid putting too many things on my skin. Because normally I'm going to go in with my Credali Beauty Elixir and all of the skincare prep things that I usually do. So I'm trying to hold back in all of that for the moment and just use the moisturizer and go in with the foundation. See how that's going to work, if it's going to make a difference, because I don't want too many things clogging my pores. So this is nice and moisturized, and I kept the eye makeup really simple today. So this really blends nicely into my skin. I'm not quite sure if you guys can see, I still have some slight breakout issues right there. It's going away nicely. It was much worse than this. Anyway, it's not about the skincare today. It's about the Fenty Beauty foundation. And again, this is number 385. And so I am going to be using this stippling brush because this is very light, feather-like feather feel on the face. And I just want to be able to use this to just stipple on the powder foundation on my skin as opposed to just using a brush and just going in and just rubbing it all into my skin. I'm trying not to clog my pores too much. So this is the number 385 right here, again, stippling brush. This is from MASQD. I have no idea how you say that, but it is a stippling brush. It says stippling on here. So we are just going to go in now and see how this is going to work. So this doesn't look too bad. You guys can see that. This seems to be a better shade for my skin. So let me just put this all over my face and I'll give you my thoughts a little bit later. So this foundation powder is a much better shade for my skin. This is number 385, and this is giving me a very neutral, soft, matte finish. And of course, this can be buildable, but I'm not going to build this up too much because I don't want too much product on my skin. But this is looking really good, and I love the stippling brush because it feels really light and soft on my skin. Because as I get older, I'm just trying to maintain really healthy skin, and by putting on less product on my face is just wonderful. So I am just going to take this pressed powder. This is from Collection, and I really don't need to go in with this, but I'm just going to use just a little bit of this to take away any extra shine from my face. And what I love about this powder, this does not move or shift your foundation at all. It looks yellow, but it really blends nicely on the skin and gives you that extra matte finish. And that's all I need. I don't really need anything else at all. So let me just go in with some lipstick right now. And I'm just gonna keep this really simple. And of course, my lip balm. I'm just going to use the Revolution Exempt lip liner. One of my favorite lip liners from Revolution. And this is Revolution Sheer Brilliant Lip Gloss. I am going to leave the name of this in the description box for you guys. It is purple. Love it. It smells, oh my God, it smells wonderful. Look at how pretty this is. Oh my God. This is a beautiful lip gloss. Let me just pull my hair down and I'll be back in a second. Okay, my lovelies, here are my thoughts on the foundation powder from Fenty Beauty. Again, this is in number 385. I love this shade. This is much better for my skin than the 400. The 400 was way too dark for my skin. It looked like I was on the beach baking for a while. And it has a very deep red undertone, which was just too much for my skin. Because your foundation is not supposed to make you look darker. It's supposed to basically enhance what you already have. I mean, we all know that. So this is number 385, and it's giving me a beautiful neutral look, which I like. It's a matte finish as well. Very, very pretty, very nice. I can wear this foundation powder all year, all summer, and I think this is something I will be definitely reaching for a lot. It's really, really nice. I was surprised when I had gone into the store and she said to me, 400, she goes, that's a little too dark for your skin. Although the 400 liquid foundation is fine for my skin, but for some reason, the 400 powder is too dark. The 385 is absolutely perfect. And as you guys can see, I went in with barely anything on my face. I just used my moisturizer from L'Oreal Paris. I went in with the powder on top from Collection. My lip balm, this is the Revolution Exempt lip liner, and this is the lip gloss, and that's it. And it gave me just a beautiful, simple finish. I am learning to use much less things on my face because I don't want too many things, like I said earlier, clogging my pores, and this is perfect for my skin. So I'm just going to leave everything in the description box for you guys, just in case you want to pick up at any one of these. The lip gloss is really, really pretty. It's sheer brilliant. The name of the lipstick is to the bottom, and I'm going to link that below for you guys, just in case you want to pick it up. It paired really well with the Revolution Exempt lip liner. And that's all she wrote, and I do hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Really simple makeup. It wasn't a makeup look, it was just testing the 385 foundation powder, which I really like, and I basically love it. On that note, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Odette, and I shall see you guys next time. Toodles!